Something about this bacterium feels extraordinary. A tiny, rod-shaped organism glides through its environment. Its surface shimmers with potential. Gold particles gleam in the distance, almost as if they're being born from within. There's a reason for this marvel. This is Cupriovitis metal-tolerans, a gram-negative bacterium from the beta-proteobacteria class family. It can transform what it consumes into pure gold. Not far from here, scientists have uncovered its incredible ability. This microbe thrives in toxic metal-rich soils, turning danger into treasure. Let's dive into its story. Spring 2009. In a lab in Germany, researchers at the German Research Center for Geosciences are experimenting with metal-tolerant bacteria. They introduce Cupriovitis metal-tolerans to a solution loaded with gold chloride, a compound so harsh it would kill most life. But this bacterium is different. 24 hours later, tiny gold nuggets start forming. The bacteria are detoxifying the gold chloride by reducing it, converting toxic ions into solid gold particles. The process is slow, but real. Over days, the gold accumulates, a glittering byproduct of survival. A few kilometers away, in a copper mine, another colony of Cupriovitis metal-tolerans thrives. For years, it's been feeding on metals like copper and gold compounds. The miners notice unusual deposits, small, shiny flecks embedded in the soil. They don't know it yet, but this bacterium is the architect. Suddenly, a researcher shines a light on the discovery. Dr. Frank Reith, a microbiologist from the University of Adelaide, is studying metal cycling in nature. He's talking to us from a field site in Australia, examining bacterial gold formation. We've seen Cupriovitis metal-tolerans in action, he says. It's a natural alchemist, turning toxic waste into precious metal. The first thing you notice is the mechanism. This bacterium uses a unique enzyme system. When it encounters gold compounds, it neutralizes the toxicity by precipitating gold nanoparticles. It's a defense strategy turned into a gold-making factory. The landscape itself has changed too. This is what a typical soil sample looks like, dull and unremarkable. And this is a soil sample from a Cupriovitis habitat, speckled with tiny gold flecks, a testament to the bacterium's work. If you look closely, you can see the gold particles under a microscope, each one a tiny masterpiece. This bacterium doesn't just survive, it thrives. Normally, gold is rare in nature, locked in ores or scattered in traces. But here, Cupriovitis metal-tolerans concentrates it, creating localized gold deposits. The process isn't fast enough to mine profitably yet. Scientists are exploring ways to harness this ability for biomining. Imagine farms of these bacteria turning industrial waste into gold. It's a wild idea, but it's rooted in reality. The implications are mind-blowing. This could revolutionize metal recovery, reducing environmental damage from mining. But how does it work? Inside the bacterium, enzymes break down gold compounds. The gold ions are reduced, clumping into nanoparticles that the cell expels. It's a cycle of survival and creation. Studies suggest this process has been happening for millions of years, shaping gold deposits worldwide. But some researchers remain cautious. Dr. Reith admits, the scale is small, and we're still figuring out the limits. Others debate whether this is practical or just a curiosity. Both sides hold firm, but the evidence is growing.
This is highly unusual. The reflections are intensifying.
Look at the reaction in the dish.
I'm recording a new anomaly spike.
There's another angle to consider. In 2021, a team at Michigan State University tested Cupriovitis in simulated mining conditions.
This is a new development.
Yes, the data is very promising.
We are getting closer.
The bacteria produced measurable gold, hinting at future applications. Yet, in the most toxic environments, their output drops. Proof of nature's balance. Larger questions emerge. Could this bacterium adapt further? Could we engineer it to produce more gold? The answers aren't clear, but the potential is tantalizing. As for the future, it's still unfolding. Researchers continue to study Cupria vitis metallodurans, hoping to unlock its secrets. This tiny organism might just change how we see wealth and waste. Don't forget to subscribe to Snagz at Snagz-TV for more mind-blowing armchair documentaries. Hit that like button if you're amazed by nature's gold-making machine.